Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply an online visa to travel to Burundi for tourism. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the website of Commissionerate for Migration of Burundi. So basically how they grant this visa is, this new process, you have to go to visa appointment and click on visa request. Now you have multiple kinds of visas that you see here. Okay. So I'm selecting multiple visa. Before we go this, it says that what's the fee, 90 USD or equivalent in euros. Well, it is 1 month granted at the airport or in an embassy. Okay. That's fine. Now, if you click here and click on visa info, you will get a lot of information. You can switch to English, and but still sometimes translations don't work well. But you can right click and go on translation. So it's just 3 steps: fill the online form, payment, and then certificate. Okay. And, and this you can present at the port of entry. Now for every kind of visa, they have some information like how long you're gonna get it. 90 USD for 1 month, 180 for 270 for 3 months. And what are the things you need? Photocopy of passport. Okay. All right. So which when we are sure, just go here and click on visa request. I select multiple entry. First select the category, which one you want. I select, let's say, 2 month. Okay. So straight away ask for type of accommodation that you use. So I selected hotel. It's asking for hotel details. If you have already booked, you must have your details. Name, first name, gender, marital status. I'm just selecting some sample, but do it as per your own case. Okay. Country, phone, job title, email address. Okay. Email address is very important because that is where certification will be sent. From parent name, mother name, date of birth, place of birth, country of birth, nationality, type of document. In most of the cases, it's going to be ordinary passport, place of issue, date of issue, purpose of stay, date of arrival, exit, contact person, contact name, your passport picture, photo, passport picture, your passport photocopy, and photocopy of the current visa. Wow. Anyway, once you are all through that, you can click on send application. Then it will come here for the confirmation, and from there you can proceed. Okay. Well, just like I'm selecting just sample, guys. See, when I selected Indian country, the code number calling code got changed. Okay. So in this way, it can proceed. Okay. So that is how it works, guys. And after confirmation, as per you remember, as you remember, we had to pay the fee, and then if things are granted, you get the certificate that can be presented at the port of entry to get the visa. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.